How to fix voice chat and microphone not working in Marvel Rivals. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open up Marvel Rival in your PC. And once you open it up, you'll have to go up to settings right here. And once you go on to settings, simply tap on audio. And once you tap on audio, you'll find different options. So inside audio, you'll find voice chat, and under voice chat, you'll find voice chat volume, mic volume, and voice chat. You want to simply make sure that voice chat is toggled on, and then you have voice chat volume on default at 80, also microphone volume as well. Now if you're on PC, you'll probably have push to talk or something like that, so you can change that to always on, so you can just speak and you don't have to press the specific button down to actually have a voice chat engage. Now verify your output in your device as well. If you're on PC, Xbox or PlayStation, on the PlayStation, go ahead and click the PlayStation button and this scrolly bar is gonna open up. Then go over to microphone right over here and then turn on the microphone. As you can see, it is muted right now. So go ahead and toggle off that mute button. And simply you can just adjust microphone volume here as well. Do the same thing with your output mic. Make sure you have this set to your headset or TV speaker and it is up loud enough. Also make sure you don't have this mute game voice chat toggled on. If it's toggled on, you won't be able to hear anyone in this game. So you want to make sure it is toggled on. Now all you have to do is go back to your game and start speaking, and in the upper left side of the screen the voice chat will be activated and then you'll be able to speak to people. Well, that's simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.